Imagine a company specializing in cutting edge infrastructure, achieving a consistent 25% revenue growth, and securing orders from some of the biggest industry players. And over the years, its stock has surged from 146%. So, what's fueling this exceptional rise, and can this momentum sustain? So, stay tuned as we reveal the details of this company and evaluate the financial prospects of this powerhouse that is reshaping its particular sector. Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the market noise to bring you some of the most promising opportunities in the stock market. I'm Gauri Malik, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we are focusing on three companies that are making significant strides in their respective sectors. And please remember, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So today we have shortlisted three companies, which are Zydus Wellness Limited, Ashoka Buildcon Limited, and Power Mech Projects Limited. First up, Zydus Wellness Limited, a pioneer in the wealth and wellness products, recently acquired 98.14% of Natural Private Limited, known for its Ride Bite Max Protein brand, for rupees 390 crores, with plans to acquire the remaining stake soon. This strategic move enhances its nutritional product portfolio, targeting the growing health-conscious demographic. In Q2 of financial year 25, Zydus reported 493 crores in revenue, which is a 3.5% increase year on year, and a stable EBITDA margin of 4%, despite the challenges in the urban markets. The management is focusing on rural expansion and innovative beverages to drive growth, with the acquisition expected to be earnings accretive from the next year. The company is strengthening its leadership in the wellness space. So next we have Ashoka Buildcon Limited. Ashoka Buildcon continues to shine as a leader in the infrastructure development, securing a 1,055 crore EPC contract from Bangalore International Airport. It has also won 1,391 crore economic corridor project in the West Bengal under the hybrid annuity mode. In Q2 of financial year 25, the company posted revenue of 2,489 crores with a stellar EBITDA margin of 38%, with an increase of 12% year on year. With a robust 1 lakh crore bid pipeline and around 4,000 to 5,000 crore expected in the new orders, Ashoka aims for 10 to 15% revenue growth in financial year 26, which is leveraging its expertise in the highways and power transmission for sustained growth in the future. Finally, Power Mech Projects Limited. Power Mech Project Limited solidifies its position as a diversified infrastructure player with a 150 crore mechanical construction order from the Adani Power for the Raipur Phase 2 Ultra Supercritical Thermal Power Plant. The company also formed a subsidiary in the Saudi Arabia, targeting international markets, and also secured a 865 crore maintenance contract for the Talwandi Sabo Power in Punjab. In Q2 of financial year 25, Power Mech recorded 1,035 crore in revenue, which is a 3% quarter-on-quarter increase and a stable EBITDA margins of 13%. With a 12,000 crore order target and expansion into the water management and coal projects, the company is poised for 25 to 30% revenue growth, driven by its innovative and diversified approach. So now also let's review the performance of our previous picks. First up is Ajmera Realty and Infra India Limited, covered at 961.2, now at 1,090, up by 13.4%. Saregama India Limited, covered at 471.5, now at 511.5, which is up by 8.5%. RateGain Travel Technologies, covered at 705, now at 701.9, which is marginally down by 0.4%. Then Indostar Capital Finance Limited, covered at 248.7, now at 262, which is up by 5.3%. Last, Sealmatic India Limited, covered at 605, is now at 590.6, which is down by 2.3%. Now, to summarize this edition of Noisemaker, we spotlighted 3 dynamic companies. Zydus Wellness Limited, enhancing its portfolio with a strategic acquisition in the protein snack segment. And second, we covered Ashoka Buildcon Limited, leveraging large-scale contracts to expand its infrastructure footprint. And Parmec Projects Limited, riding high on a diversified order book and international opportunities. These companies demonstrated robust strategies and execution, setting them up for sustained growth and industry leadership in the future. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. If you missed any details, download the attached PDF in the description. Thank you for tuning in and stay ahead of the market with Desvelado Advisory.